Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see trees. Trees in C. Trees is a hierarchical data structure. Unlike arrays, linked list, stack, queue, where there are linear data structure, but tree is a hierarchical data structure. Tree, the topmost node is called as the root of the tree. The elements that are directly under are called as a child. The element directly above something is called as a parents. Okay. For example, A is a child of F and F is a parent of A. A is a child of F and F is a parent of A. Element with no children are called as leaves. Here, see this example. J is a root node and F and K is a child of J. And F is the father of A and H. While seeing A and H, F is a root node, parent node for A and H. Likewise, K is a parent node for Z. Okay, but K has only one children. That why it called as a leaves. Okay. Why we are going to the see tree concept? One reason to use tree might be because we want to store information that naturally form a hierarchy. For example, file system on a computer. Here see, file system which has home, course and many other files. Like this, for example, we have to store data in a desktop. For that we are saving the file in desktop in a particular folder we are saving. Okay. Likewise, it is a hierarchical data structure. Tree with some order is called as some order, which is a binary search tree, that is BST. Provide moderate access search, quicker than the linked list and slower than the array. Tree has a some order which provide moderate access. Comparing tree, this access mode is quicker than the linked list and slower than the array. Likewise, the insertion and deletion operator in tree is quicker than the array and slower than the unordered linked list. Like linked list and unlike array, tree does not have an upper limit on number of nodes as nodes are linked called as pointers. Main application of tree includes manipulate hierarchical data, make information easy to search, manipulate sorted list of data. For example, if we have a tree node of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 is the 5 not 3 is the root node. Like remember that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are in the nodes, other nodes. 3 is the root node means it will compare and form a hierarchical tree structure. Okay. While comparing to 1 is less than of 3. So, it is allocate that in left side of 3. Okay. And comparing to 2 is lesser than 3 and already 1 is there in the left side of the root node 3. Okay. Then it will compare with 1. Comparing to 1, 2 is greater. So, it will provide a face in 1's right side is a 2 node. Okay. And then comparing 3 to 4 is greater than 3. So, it will allocate a memory in right side of the 3. Okay. Then it comparing 5 is greater than 3. Then it will check 4 is greater than 5. So, it will allocate in right side of the 4. Okay. Likewise, a tree structure is formed. Form of multiple stages, decision making. Okay. Binary tree. What is binary tree? A tree whose element have at most two children. A tree whose element have at least two most children is called as a binary tree. Since I know we are understand, okay. Since each element in a binary tree can have any two children, only two children, we are typically named that as a left child and right child. Binary search tree representation in C. A tree is represented by a pointer to the topmost node in the tree. If the tree is empty, the value of the root node is null. Tree contains the three part: data, pointer to left child, pointer to right child. In a C, we can represent a tree node using structure. Okay, for defining it, we have tree node with an integer data. Okay, stack node. For the root nodes, int data is declared. Then we have a left child and right child. For that, pointer, stack node pointer to left and stack node pointer to right. Likewise, we have to declared represent. Okay.